Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Supabase email magic links in Retool, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Supabase account and create a new project. Once your project is created, navigate to the authentication section in the left-hand menu. In the authentication settings, click on the Settings tab. Ensure magic link authentication is enabled. Next, go to the API section in the left-hand menu to find your Supabase URL and an on key. Now, open Retool and create a new app. In Retool, add a new text input component for the user's email. Then, insert a button component to initiate the magic link request. With the button selected, go to the right panel and locate the Event Handlers section. Add a new event handler for the buttons on click event. In the event handler, choose the option to send a request. Next, select REST API and configure the request with the following parameters. Set the method to post. For the URL, input your Supabase project's API endpoint for magic link authentication. In the request body, use JSON format, including the user's email address. Specify the email field and bind it to the text input component. Click Save to finalize the request. Now, create another event handler to handle the response. Add a success handler to notify users that the magic link has been sent. You can customize the message to enhance user experience. Once the link is sent, instruct users to check their email. To handle the magic link click, set up a new page in your Retool app. On this new page, add components to collect user information or display relevant data. Use the Supabase client within Retool to check if the user is authenticated. Now, you can test the entire flow by entering an email and clicking the button. Monitor the email for the magic link and ensure it functions as expected. Adjust any components as necessary based on user feedback to improve the experience. This completes your setup for authenticating with Supabase email magic links in Retool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.